Hello and welcome to this channel. Thank you for your love and support. Today we'll be learning how to make this beautiful handfan. So for the materials we'll be needing our fabric, interfacing, needle, thread, stick or strong cardboard paper or gum. Gum is actually optional. And this is what I'll be using. It's like 8 inches long. And then the next thing is to go straight to the measuring table and measure 7 inches by 30 by 38 inches. So notice that it is on fold, and then the next thing is that I will iron in my interfacing to it. I already added my interfacing under, so and I made sure that I folded all the rough edges before ironing this. So you make sure that it is straight and well ironed, and after that you pick up your stick or your strong cardboard paper and then you fold it. For this process you can decide to use your gum or you sew it, or you use your gum and sew it, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'm just going to sew it using my sewing machine just to secure it. And this is what I have after sewing it on my sewing machine. So we'll move to the next step. We start to pleat the fabric step by step. Make sure it is straight. You just need to be patient in this process. Just fold it in, and you can also decide to use your iron at this point, but for me I decided to use my hand to pleat it. And after pleating, this is what I have. Then on the top point, make sure that your stick is not getting to the end point. Make sure that there's some form of allowance there. So I'll use my needle and my thread to stitch that point. Watch the way my hand is moving. That's how you stitch it. Make sure it is strong. Make sure all the pleat is sewn. And after sewing it and stitching it down, this is what I have. The fan is ready. You can decide to cover up the rough edges of the stick or your cardboard paper just to make it beautiful, but this is what I have. This is our fan. Isn't it beautiful? You can practice it. If you like this video, subscribe. Thank you.